Okay, so thank you for checking out this. You're making the request. You actually you're interested in learning how to create your own SMS marketing platform. Yes, without writing any code, no technical stuff, no hardcore, no PHP, no MySQL, not all those things. I'm going to show you how you can get started, and within the next 30 minutes, within 30 minutes, you can have your own SMS marketing platform live. And if you have mobile numbers already, you have a list of contacts that you can reach out to. You can begin to mail them right away. You can begin to message them right away from your own platform. Yes, from your own platform. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. And the best thing is, you can actually, when you learn how to do this, you can create it or even create it for businesses and even make money with it. So let me show you how to do that. If you have any question for me, you can always reach out to me on Facebook right here. John Anavirore, just search for me. I'm going to drop a link to my Facebook profile, so you can actually contact me, reach out to me, or you can connect with me. So we get to know more, and then we get to know more. And then if you have question about this, just feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to point you in the right direction. So let me walk you through on how you can have your own SMS marketing software ready within 25 minutes. So actually, there is a brand new training just released out by one of the top marketers I've known over time for years. I think for over 5 years now, Ben Akin. So the guy just launched out one of his training. This is what he has been doing for years. He has been providing services to local businesses, doing just one simple thing which you're about to get access to. So he's going to show you how you too can build your own SMS marketing software in under 25 minutes. Now, this is once you set up your own SMS marketing platform, you can use it for your own business. If you have a list of contacts, you can use your marketing software, and then you send out messages to them. When you send messages to people, they get it. There's not like spam box. There's no promotional folder. No, everyone gets the message instantly into their mobile number, unlike emails where some messages get to spam, some go to the promotion tabs, some just get even undelivered. But here in this case, SMS are seen, they are fast, instant delivery, and they are opened, in fact high open rate. So you need this to learn this, know how to create your own. Now this is not the second part. This is how to create your own SMS marketing software. And in a few minutes, just 25 minutes, you'll be able to, set up your own platform. And on top of that, this guy is going to show you how you can use this software to at least earn as little as $200 per month. That's per client. That is, you'll be helping these businesses to provide marketing services. Yes, you'll be able to provide marketing services. A lot of these local businesses around you, they don't have, they don't have an SMS marketing medium to reach out to their customers. Now, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have to be offline. It could be online, and I'm going to show you how to contact, how to reach out to local businesses that actually need this service online. So this is something that you can pick up. You learn it. It's it's a 5-step simple approach that you can use to attract clients and get results for them. Yes, and they'll be ready to actually pay you as much as $200 per month. But the thing is, they're also going to show you how you can keep these customers and how you can, get higher payments from them, earning as much as $5,000 every single month per client. So in just a very few minutes from now, you're going to learn how this technique works, how to create your own SMS portal, and then how to get paid helping businesses create their own SMS portal or delivering this service for them. Yeah, they need it seriously. Once you're able to convince them that they need to add SMS marketing, then they're going to jump on your offer, and you help them, and you're going to keep them on the long run. Yes, you're going to keep them on the long run, making much more profit. So if you want to get access to this, it's actually called Pizza Money. You can go ahead. There's a link under this video. You see the link there. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you right to this page, and this is where you'll be able to pick up the training. The training, I think it's going to go in for about $47. Let me see. I think, okay, 27. Okay, it's a $27 one-time payment. Wow, just $27 one-time payment, and then you will get access to his training. That's Ben Atkins. He's going to train you. This is what he has been doing, is what he does, and he's going to teach you how to create your own platform, your own SMS marketing platform in minutes. Now, you don't, remember I said you are not going to, it doesn't involve coding at all. There's no coding, there's nothing hard. You just learn it, and once you learn it, you begin, you take action and create your own portal. And once you create your portal, you can use it for your own business, or you look out for businesses as Atkins had recommended for you. Look out for businesses, restaurant businesses, food businesses. They are the ones who need this most, because they need to reach out to their clients so they can always come back over and over again. So Pizza Money is going to show you, how you can, set up your own SMS marketing platform without any coding experience, and then how you can leverage on this platform to reach out to businesses, and then helping them to get more clients and then retain their own clients. So even inside this course, I think there are some huge bonuses. Okay, there are some parts inside this course. So inside this part one, you can see what you're going to get inside the Pizza Money system. Is number one, you're going to learn how to build your own SMS lists and broadcast service. This is the number one thing to help your business grow, and to get a step-by-step SMS list and broadcast service setup guide. That this, you don't need any code required, and these SMS list building ideas are also that you can use for restaurants. Our proven SMS list business ideas for the restaurants, and then they are proven SMS broadcast templates to drive business fast. So you're going to get number one, how to build your own SMS list and broadcast service. Number two, you're going to learn how to pinpoint ideal clients that want your service. So you'll be pointed in the right direction. You don't need to waste time. You'll be shown how to find the right clients that actually need your service, and they are going to jump on you right away. And number three, in part three, you're going to learn how to attract those clients with your service offering, without ever stepping foot inside their businesses. So you're going to show how to attract, clients like this. And number four, in part four, they're going to show you how they close their own follow and copy paste, how they close the $200 per month clients. You just simply follow their 6-step sales process. So it's a done for you thing, a kind of a done for you sales presentation template that you can follow on PowerPoint or Google Slides, and then you learn how they do it, and then you just copy them and you do the same thing. And also number five, they're going to show you how to make this a recurring profit, as a recurring income, how to maintain your clients for a longer term relationship and a long term profit in this. And here's the coolest part about this about this. When you pick up this training, once you pick up this training, they're going to show you, once you've onboarded your clients and completed this simple setup, there is a very little monthly maintenance that you have to worry about, and that means you can focus on expanding your client list and building your monthly income. So it's time for you to put these steps into action and see how quickly you land your first $200 per month client. So actually, this Pizza Money system is going to show you just two things. Number one, how to create your own SMS marketing platform. Yes, if you want to use it for your business, you have a list, you have a database of your subscribers, your followers, your customers. You can use this marketing platform you're going to learn very soon. You can use it for your business or help businesses, create it for them, and then they're going to pay you for it, and you can even manage it for them while you get much more profit. Now think about it. Assuming you know a fast food, a restaurant beside your community or your city. You can support about 4 or 5 of them. Now you can just pick this up one, and then you go out to them and reach out to them. Hey, this is what you're leaving a lot of money right here. I can help you set up an SMS marketing platform, and then you'll be able to keep your customers and reach out to your customers and much more money for you. And just tell them you're going to bill them just a little as $200 per month, and they're going to love it. They're going to charge, they're going to love it, and they're going to jump on your offer. And once you offer $200 per month, you just upsell for them that you're going to be maintaining the platform for them, doing a lot of things for them, and you can actually go ahead and upsell more services for them. So it's something that you shouldn't miss out. Pick up this and then learn how to set up your own SMS marketing platform, and then you can also go ahead and learn how you can make much more profit with your own SMS market platform by rendering marketing services for local business owners, not only restaurant owners, in fact local business owners, anyone in the food niche, you can always use this service for them and they are going to love it. So that's all about that. Just go ahead. There's a link under this video. Click on that link. It's going to bring you right to this page, and then you'll be able to pick up this product from this page. So thank you for watching this video. Remember, if you have any question for me, you can ask in the comment section. Yeah, if you need anything just let me know. Ask in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this video. Just click on the subscribe button. And if you have any other, you don't want to drop your comments here, you can reach out to me on Facebook. Yeah, reach out to me on Facebook and then send me a message on Facebook. I'll try as much as possible to reply to you in due time. So thank you for watching. My name is John Anavi. Go ahead and pick up Pizza Money. Pizza Money is going to show you how to create your own SMS marketing software, your own SMS marketing platform in minutes, and then they're going to show you how they use the same software to make at least $200 per month from one client. So imagine if you have about just 3 clients, how much will you be making per month, and imagine how much you'll be making per from these 3 clients when you begin to manage their own software for them. That's all you get inside this course, Pizza Money system. So go ahead and pick up this. You're going to enjoy it and going to make you a lot of money. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.